When you log into Kahoot, it will take you right to here, which is your home page. Now to create a Kahoot, you're going to go to the top right corner, this blue button where it says create, and we're going to hit new Kahoot. Now there are different templates of different kinds of Kahoots you could use. We're just going to do a regular Kahoot, and that'll take us to the question creation page. So here, this question, this format right now is a quiz format question. You could also do true or false. You could have them type their answer. There's a puzzle version, a poll, word cloud, open-ended, brainstorm, and you can also just have a presentation slide. For the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to do a quiz. That's the most common one, the one that is most frequently used. So I'm going to title this. I'm just going to title this example. You can change some of the options down here. And we're just going to hit done. So now my question. I'm just going to do a simple math problem. So we're going to have solve 4 times 3. You can have your question up there. It can be any kind of question. With math, you could also use the equation editor to enter an equation. So I could do 4 times 3 this way. And then when it displays, it'll display in an actual, it'll look more like a math problem. So we have solve 4 times 3. So if I have the example 12, that's going to be our answer. We're going to check that to show that that is the correct answer. And then I'm going to add some other answers that are incorrect. And once I'm finished, if I want to make the time limit longer, I can make it longer. I can adjust it, but I'm just going to keep it at 20 seconds here. Now, if you are doing different kinds of questions, you might want to allot different amounts of points towards different kinds of questions or different questions. For this one, I'm just going to keep it at standard. And then for our answers, you can have multiple question answers, or you can just have single. Since we're multiplying, we're just going to keep single. So that's one question. Now once I finish that one and I want to add another question, I'm just going to come over here to the left and hit add question. Again, you can choose the kinds of questions that you want to do. I'm just going to do the regular quiz again. And for this one, we're going to solve 2 times 8. There we go. I'm going to insert that. So now I have to solve 2 times 8. Our correct answer is 16. I'm going to add some other answers in here that are incorrect. And same thing, I'm just going to keep the time at 20 seconds, keep the points. And for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and wrap this up since you've seen how to create a question now. When you're finished, you hit done. And it will save your work, and from there you could test it, you could play it, and you can share it. So in the next video, you'll be able to see how to host and play this Kahoot. So for right now, I'm just going to go ahead and hit done. It'll take me back to my home page. And you can see that my new Kahoot that I just created is right here. All right, thanks for watching. Watch the next video on how to host and how to play the game.